Welcome back to Verify Giant, your go-to source for helping you shop online safely. Today, we're diving into GarageDoor.com to see if it's legit or just another online scam. Right off the bat, GarageDoor.com has a trust score of 55 out of 100. So, what did our team find? Well, customer reviews range widely, from praises about quick response times to concerns about their pricing transparency. A common complaint includes difficulties in getting follow-up support after installation. In terms of service, GarageDoor.com provides an impressively broad selection of garage door types and materials. However, the inconsistency in service quality is concerning. While some customers rave about efficient service, others report less than satisfactory experiences. The niche of garage door sales and installations itself receives a score of 65 out of 100. Now, considering the price point, many customers felt that while products are decent, the pricing was on the higher end. It's crucial to compare offerings to get the best value for money. My final recommendation? If you're set on installing a garage door, perhaps look into local providers with solid reputations. They often offer the personalized service that those big online names can't match, plus, you can vet them through your community. Overall, is GarageDoor.com worth your time and money? Based on the erratic customer experiences and service concerns, my answer would definitely be a cautious maybe. Stock footage search terms.
Be sure to use our scam detector service. Simply go to verifygiant.com, search a company, website or hotel. I'm searching this hotel as you guys can see, and then I click verify now. It scans the internet and tells you if it's worth it or a scam. Link in description.